Good morning students. Continuing from our last video from the chapter Algebraic Expressions, this is the sixth video on this chapter. So today we are going to solve exercise 6e from this chapter. Okay. So from exercise 6e, look at the first question. It says that factorize the following expressions. Here, what to factor here? This is an expression that is a square minus 4. We have to factorize it. So the first step for factorization is find out the perfect square. So the perfect square is here a square and 4 are both perfect square. So what is the square root of a square? Let's find out. So here the square root of a square is a, and what is the square root of 4? That is 2. So we are getting here two terms, that is a plus 2 and a minus 2. So these are the factors of the algebraic expression, that is a square minus 4. Okay, so first find out the square root, then multiply the term. Now look at this question here, 49c square minus 25d square. Here the first term is 49c square. 49 is the square of 7 and c square is the square of c. So what is the first term? The square root of 49c square will be 7c plus, and 25 is the square of 5. So you write 5 here, and d square is the square of d. So write d here. So 7c plus 5d into 7c minus 5d. So these are the two factors of 49c square minus 25d square. Now look at question number 10. Question number 10 given 100b square minus 81. Here we are seeing the first term is 100b square. In 100b square, 100 is there multiplied with b square. So 100 is the square of 10. So your number getting here, write the square root 10 here, and b square is the square of b. So we are getting here 10b, and 81 is the square of 9. So write here plus 9. So the first term we are getting the first factor, that is 10b plus 9, and find out the second factor, that is 10b minus 9. So 10b plus 9 and 10b minus 9 are the factors of what? Which term? That is 100b square minus 81. Now look at question number 18. In question number 18 says that 1 upon 4b square minus 49. It is an algebraic expression. We have to find out the factors using the factorization method. So first we have to find out the square root. What is the square root of 1 upon 4? Definitely that is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 4. And what is the square root of b square? That is b, because b into b is b square. So that is, write down b here. So 1 upon 2b, and what is the second term here? That is 49. So 49 is the square of 7. So write here plus 7. This is the first factor, and what is the second factor? That is 1 by 2b minus 7. So here we are getting the two factors. The first factor is 1 by 2b plus 7. And the second factor is 1 by 2b minus 7. These are the two factors of the algebraic expression, that is 1 by 4b square minus 49. Okay. Now look at question number 22. Question number 22 says that find out the factors of x square upon 9 minus y square upon 4. So here we see that x square upon 9 is the square of which term? That is x upon 3, and y square upon 4 is the square of the term, that is y upon 2. So that is x plus 3 plus y upon 2 into x plus 3 minus y upon 2. If you multiply these two terms, you will get x square upon 9 minus y square upon 4. Now look at this question, question number 24. Question number 24 says that find out the factors of x square minus 0.01. So here we have to find out this algebraic expressions. So x square is the square of x, okay, and look at this decimal number, that is 0.01. 0.01 can be written as 1 upon 100. That means 1 upon 100 is the square of which fraction? That is 1 upon 10, because 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 is same as 1 upon 100. So the second term is 1 upon 10. So right here the second term, that is 1 upon 10. So x plus 1 upon 10 is how much? 1 upon 10 is 0.1. So x plus 0.1 into x minus 0.1. So if you multiply these two factors, we get x square minus 0.01. Now look at question number 25. Question number 25 said that find out the factors of 81 minus x minus 7 whole square. So here 81 is the square of 9, so that you can write 9 square minus x minus 7 square. So we can write, so it is a square and it is b square. This 9 is a and x minus 7 is b. So a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So what is a here? 9. What is b here? Plus b, that is x minus 7 into a, that is 9, minus b. So minus b means minus of this term, that is minus x, and plus 7, that means minus of minus will be plus here. So what is the result we are getting here? 9 minus 7, that is 2. So we are getting the term here. What are the factors we are getting here? X plus 2. And look at this factor, that is 9 plus 7. If you add 9 plus 7, we will get 16. So the new term will be minus x plus 16. So this is the factor x plus 2, one factor. Another factor is minus x plus 16. These are the two factors of the algebraic expression, that is 81 minus x minus 7 whole square. Now look at question number 33. Question number 33 says that find out the factors of x square plus 4y square minus z square minus 4xy. So here we see that x square, 4y square and minus 4xy, these are related. If you arrange in a group, we can make the factors very easy. So arrange in a group first. X square plus 4y square minus 4xy and minus z square, write it separately. Okay, so what we observe here, that this one is the, we can write in the form, which form? That is x square minus 4xy plus 4y square minus z square. So in this form we can write, that is x minus 2y whole square. So x minus 2y whole square is same as this algebraic expression, because a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is x and b is 2y, so a square, that means x square, minus 2ab, that means minus 2 into 2y, that is minus 4xy, and plus b square. B is what here? 2y. So 2y square means 4y square. So this we can write this as in this expression in this form, that is x minus 2y whole square. Now look at this term, that is minus z square. So this is same as a square and this is z square as b square. So a square and minus b square, what is the formula? That is a square a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is same as a square minus b square. So write down a plus b, that is a, what is a? X minus 2y is the a, plus b, that is plus z here, and x minus 2y minus b, that is minus z here. So x minus 2y plus z into x minus 2y minus z are the two factors of this term, of this algebraic expression, that is x square plus 4y square minus z square minus 4x square. Okay, I hope you understand this concept today, all these questions.